Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about something very important and mostly you guys can relate to. Yes, I'm going to discuss about how to overcome social media stress and anxiety. And apart from that, I'm also going to highlight about some toxicity or negativity which is going around in the social media lately. I mean, yeah, social media is fun and all that jazz. We get to see a lot of people showing off a lot of skills and their talent, but it's always wise to know where are your limits. So, number one, always know the limits of social media use. Never overuse the social media platforms to an extent that it will affect your mental health or anxiety levels. You might not know the triggers it might cause you. You might stay up late night and you may get addicted to it, which a lot of people are and they are not aware, especially our young generation, like people who are adolescent or in a teenage phase. And this time they should be focusing more on their studies, on their education, or any co-curricular activity, but instead they are into social media platforms, which is good. Social media is good for your stress buster for 2 to 3 hours, but it can't be for 24-hour use. Know where your limit is. When you are doing a project, when you are in an office, or you are spending time with your family, or your parents are telling you not to overuse, please listen to them. Do not overuse. You might think it's cool or something, but later on in your life, you will regret it. Believe you me, take advice from your seniors, from your parents. Never disrespect their advice. They are telling for your own good. Now, I am at a phase that I am focused on my career, and blogging is something which I love, but I do not spend my 24 hours on blogging. It can't be the answer, and sometimes I get annoyed when I do not get good result. But it doesn't mean that I have to stick on to social media to gain likes or follows or get attention or blah blah blah. That is not my path. Your path should be your focus on your career or your skill where you make money out of it. So social media is good for time pass. People who are serious about blogging, but it will take a lot of time. It will take at least 8 to 10 years to get it established to that level. 2 to 3 hours or maximum 4 hours a day, that is still okay. That is still considered fine. But know where your limit is. It is for your own good. Number two, take detox from social media. It's coming from someone who is into social media, but trust me, I do take detox sometimes when I don't feel like uploading anything, when I do not have any collaboration or project. I do not get into social media. At least once or twice in a week, I take that day off. I just don't do anything. I procrastinate. I eat my favorite stuff. I listen to music. I watch movies. I help my mom. I clean my house, especially in lockdown. There's a pile of work to do, especially when you don't have maid. So there's a lot of things to do. Read books. Improve your communication skills. Talk in English. Start practicing and communicating with others in such a way that you become a confident person. You do not have to worry about your career. Take this time, please study, try to come up with some plan A, plan B, plan C, whatever your career path is, and try to understand what is your path and what is your passion, and try to focus on that. There's a life beyond social media. It will lead to lower stress level and higher life satisfaction. That's all about it. I'm sure if you follow any celebrity or big influencer, they would not generally upload every day. They might take breaks and come up with boom, some super content, because even they need some kind of breaks or some detox from social media. After all, we are humans. We can't stick on to something 24/7. It's very stressing and depressing. Trust me. Take this advice and take the time off sometimes and just focus on yourself, on your path, your career, whatever, your skills, whether you're good at dancing, whether you're good at studying, whether you're good at singing, or whatever your path is, focus on that and try to improve yourself. Number 3, pay attention to what you do or how you feel. Take the time and take this time out and try to understand what you like to do. Instead of scrolling the feed continuously, instead of doing that, please focus on yourself. Otherwise, you're going to go down on a rabbit hole. So it will be very depleting, and don't do that and focus on yourself instead. Sometimes you feel just bad looking at someone's profile, what she has that you don't have, and you start comparing yourself that I wish I could have that lifestyle, or what things she have, or what lifestyle she kind of leads, and that you wish to have or you don't have. So it will make you feel depleted, and there will be days you will be feeling low or negative about yourself. So try to understand what you want to do and how you want to achieve that, rather thinking or scrolling on someone's feed and comparing it. Let me tell you, you cannot compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. It could be that their chapter is totally different and they have gone to that level after working hard, and you should have to understand that. And nothing comes in a shortcut. So you have to build yourself in such a way that someday you are going to say that yes, I did it. You have to strategize yourself and please focus on your lifestyle and how you could achieve that. Number 4, refrain from time passing in social media. Have you ever woke up in the morning and you got the feeling like, let me check Twitter or let me check Instagram, like what is going on with others, and you have this habit of checking others' lifestyle, and then you move on to Snapchat or Twitter, which hashtag is trending, blah blah blah, and you get on with it and mindfully waste the time instead of doing some creativity or focusing on yourself. So start asking yourself, why are you doing that? Number 5, stop social media from replacing your real life. You have to build some extreme connection with your life, and you have to find the purpose for it. Tweeting a colleague can be fun, or you DMing someone on Instagram, or you're checking out some celebrity's profile. It could be fun, but how long? So you have to ask yourself, why am I doing this and why am I wasting time on it? Hey, in Facebook or Instagram, keeping abreast of the latest news or gossip about your friend circle or your cousin could be fun. But why to neglect yourself? That virtual connection could be great for 10 minutes or 15 minutes in a day. But the basic need, the fulfillment of the presence, the real life presence of someone in your life, that is missing. Don't make it a substitute. try to use it in a purposeful way. It can be a useful addition to your life, to your social life, but the basic human need, the flesh and blood of a person just sitting across the room, that is your fulfillment. That is the basic human need of your life. So virtual call or video calls cannot fulfill that. So sometimes we have to understand that we need to connect with real people, people face to face, and connections that will bring peace. So start taking time out from social media at least 2 to 3 days in a week. Keep your phone switched off or just keep it aside and start spending more time with your family. This will help you to think more about your life. So, thank you. That's it for today. I hope this topic and these tips would help you in the future. I hope this lockdown will just go away soon and this pandemic just ends. And if you have any suggestion or topic for my next content on YouTube, please do feel free to DM me on Instagram, MahiXOXO, or else you can comment down below. So, thank you. Take care. Until next time. Bye bye.